with your trunk open, you'll see these two plastic caps here with a little screwdriver. You can pop those off. That'll expose a 10mm screw or bolt, and there's one under each cap. Take those off. Now your taillight is free to come out. Now with this free on this side, you pull it out this way, and it pops right out. Now you can unplug the main connector for the taillight. Press on the locking tab. Sometimes these get very stuffed with sand, so it's hard to unplug them. And here's your old taillight. And if you had to replace any of your bulbs, you just twist it counterclockwise, remove your bulb, and replace it. This is a good time to do that. And then if you had your new assembly, you would take it, plug it in, make sure it's clicked and locked in. And this little rubber piece here has to slide into that bracket. And there's actually two of them. There's one on the bottom, one on the top. So slide those on, make sure they're lined up. Perfect. Now put in the two screws, snug them up. And reinstall the two caps. Has a little hook on the top that goes in. Press it on the bottom. Perfect.